Hello guys, today we have a food review of some food or candy I should say. Today we have some watermelon cotton candy from Buc-ee's and we're gonna try it. So I've only tasted Dermo cotton candy, but let's see how this tastes. Alright, get this open. That was good. Alright, let's take the first bite. I'm also going to be rating this, so. Now, it does taste like those gummies, those Sour Patch gummies, the watermelon flavor. Yep, it is exactly like that. Now, the rating I'll give for this is, this rating, I'll give it 10 out of 10. Pretty good. Well, that's all for today. Bye.